Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. I have a very easy, very delicious pasta salad recipe for you guys. I'm actually a Turkish YouTuber and when I shared this recipe on my Turkish channel a couple years ago, it was watched a lot of times, nearly 500,000 times. It's very tasty and super simple. So what I have here, I have about 250 grams of pasta that I've boiled and I've cooked al dente. Always make sure that you cook your pasta al dente unless you want to feel bloated. So that's ready waiting for me and it has cooled down. And what else? Some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some basil, some green onions, some black olives, a garlic clove and some vinegar. I'm using apple vinegar, but whatever you want to use, you can definitely use it. You can substitute it with some lemon juice. So first off, into the vinegar, I'm adding the garlic clove. A garlic clove is enough. And I'm going to write these down in the description box, so do check it out. Some salt. And when making salad dressing, always make sure to put your salt in with the acid first and then add the olive oil. That way it incorporates much better. And I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Extra virgin would be great. I really don't like underdressed salads. They're dry, so I go a little bit heavy on the olive oil. And that's done. So now let's make this. And in goes tomatoes, 1 tomato actually that has been diced and without the skin. Cucumber, so that it's refreshing. Basil, mint goes great as well. Green onions. Green onions in a salad is always a good idea. And olives. You can also add in some feta cheese if you like. Instead of green onions, you can add in red onions if you would like. I'm giving everything a good mix. It looks so delicious, so colorful, and very refreshing. And for the final part, the sauce. Again, a good mix. And there you have it. Easy, breezy, refreshing pasta salad. Now for the final and my most favorite part, let's give it a taste. I love the cucumbers in this. It's very good. Because the pasta has been cooked al dente, it's very light. It's not going to make you feel heavy afterwards. And along with the olives, the freshness and the crunch that the cucumbers give. Garlic, you can feel it a little bit. It's a must, but it's definitely not too empowering. And basil goes great as well. So there you have it. I usually make this when I have barbecue at my home. I put it on the table, serve it with barbecue, but you can eat it as a light lunch. If you're vegan, this is also a great option for you. And if you do try it, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I hope you subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.